Dear students, in this video we going to discuss about questions and answers from the lesson 1857 Revolt. First question: what are the political reasons for 1857 revolt? Lord Dalhousie introduced doctrine of lapse policy. Due to this policy, many Indian kings lost their territories. For example, Jhansi, Udaipur, Sambalpur, Jaipur, and many states. British abolished princely titles of the king, Tanjavur, and Nawab. So, the soldiers who depended on king became unemployed. Next one. What are the economic reasons for 1857 revolt? First one, Indian handicrafts and industries diminished due to industrialization took place in England. The artisans of India became unemployed and suffered a lot, hence Indian handicraft became pathetic. British levied customs tax on Indian goods which enters into England. Farmers were exploited by zamindar. One more important, Inam Commission introduced by British government. According to this, they withdraw the lands which were gifted. Next question. What are the administrative reasons for 1857 revolt? British brought many civil and criminal laws which were a lot of partial. English became the language of court. English judges were in favor of British. Next question. What are the reasons for failure of 1857 revolt? It is not cover every part of India. They concentrated on issues of kings but not liberation of the nation. The war was not well planned. The unity of British soldiers and disunity among the Indians. The mutiny lack in direction, leadership quality, discipline, and organizing skills. Indian soldiers lacked in military strategies, capabilities, and definite aim. Next question. What are the results of 1857 revolt? The government of East India Company ended and British government administration started. Administration of India handed over to Secretary of Indian Affairs of England. The Queen of British passed proclamation in 1858. Under this proclamation, first one, agreements entered by company with kings are accepted and not pursuance of expansion policy of British. Third one, stable government for Indians and assurance, equality for all Indians.